Hi everyone, it's Amy from amymars.com, and today I'm making Bacon Cheddar Drop Biscuits. These are the easiest biscuits to make. You don't even need a biscuit cutter or a rolling pin. You'll simply just roll them into a ball and put them on your baking sheet at the end. Not only are these the easiest biscuits to make, but they're incredibly soft and packed with bacon and cheddar flavor. First, line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and then set aside. Then, cook the bacon in a skillet and let it cool before slicing it into pieces. Shred the cheddar cheese using a grater. You can use pre-shredded cheese, but there is a tiny bit more flavor if you just do it yourself. Next, shred the frozen butter just like the cheese. This helps to cut it into small pieces for mixing it with the other ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of the shredded cheddar cheese, the chopped bacon, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and you can also add 1/4 cup of parsley. Then add the shredded butter into the flour mixture and stir to combine. Once all the ingredients are mixed, add the buttermilk. Begin by stirring it all together, but finish with using your hands to slightly knead the ingredients together. It does get a little messy. Grab those parchment-lined baking sheets and begin to drop 3-inch sized balls of the dough onto each sheet. This recipe yields about 24 biscuits. If you prefer to not use the parchment paper, you can also lightly coat the baking sheets in cooking spray. Preheat the oven to 475 degrees and bake for 14 to 18 minutes until the biscuits are slightly golden. These biscuits are so soft and the perfect savory side for breakfast, brunch, or dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, click the link below to subscribe.